We all know our beloved Command F or Control F functions on our computer, whether or not we're using a Mac or a PC, to find specific words or phrases in a document really easily, right? But did you know you can do that on an iPhone? Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Matt, and on this channel I make videos with tips and tricks to help you live a more convenient life. And this is actually the second video in a playlist I'm making for you guys with easy to implement tips and tricks that take no more than a couple minutes to implement. And you've probably figured it out already, but today's video is going to be about how to use the Command F function on your iPhone to find words or phrases super easily. It's not super intuitive on the iPhone for some reason, but it is there, and so we're gonna teach you how to do it real quick. All right, so let's hop into my phone. Gotta start recording the screen, and bam. All right, cool. So we're in my phone. We're gonna go into Safari, and here I've pulled up the 10Q for Tesla. And if that means nothing to you, it also means nothing to me. All I know is that this is a really boring document, right? And you can see it's just words upon words, and I'm not reading this. I don't know about you. I am not Meet Kevin. I'll let Meet Kevin read all this and then make a video explaining it to me clearly. But say you're wanting to know, say you want to know some information about the Model Y, okay? That's one of Tesla's models of their cars. So you're just going to go down to this square with a arrow pointed up right under the sec.gov at the bottom of the screen. Okay, you can click on that. And then you're going to see there's an option kind of in the middle of the screen that says Find on Page, and it has a magnifying glass all the way to the right. You're going to click on that, okay? And now you have this little search bar that comes up, and that's where you're going to type in the word or phrase that you want to look for. And so let's type in Model Y, okay? And so you can see that to the right of Model Y, it says 3 of 32. So that means we're looking at the third mention out of 32 in this entire document, okay? And so if you can see that it's highlighted as well. That's the one we're looking at the moment, okay? And if you hit the arrow, the down arrow, you go to the fourth one. Okay, it's right under the first one we looked at. But you can hit the arrow, and you see that, okay, now it takes you to a different part of the document. I'll zoom out again. Oops, I gotta go back. There we go. And you can go through the entire document and read the paragraphs that you want without having to read the entire thing, okay? Let's do another example. Say you want to know what's going on in Tesla's Shanghai facility. So you're going to type in Shanghai, and then now you see that there's 25 mentions of Shanghai, and then you can just go through them, read that sentence, read that paragraph, and so on. And you can do this for any article, PDF when you're on Safari, and I'm pretty sure in other parts of the iPhone too, but this is just how I use it the most. But yeah, that's literally it. So it's super helpful to not have to read the entire document if you just want to find a couple pieces of information. So if you found that helpful, consider subscribing for more of these videos. Like I said, that was the second video in a playlist that I'm making to teach you guys tips and tricks that are easy to implement. And as you can see, that one was super easy, right? So if you like it, consider subscribing, hit the notification bell, share it with somebody who you think could benefit from it as well. And I'll see you in the third one. The next video actually is going to be how to unlock your phone easily with a face mask on, because I know we're all wearing face masks in this day and age, so I think it'll be helpful for you guys. So if you want to see that video, again, subscribe, and we'll see you in that one. Thanks.